English 9, welcome to week 2. I just wanted to give you a brief overview for the assignments that are going to go on this week. We're continuing on with our study of poetry. So you guys have 4 different poetry assignments this week. The first one is just kind of an intro to poetry, even though we did do 2 poetry assignments last week. It starts with a warm-up where it just asks you your general opinions of poetry, what you like about it, what you dislike about it. And things of that nature. It's not really marked wrong. You just got to do it. And then there are 3 poems in there with a few short questions after each to just see what your general understanding of some of the poetic elements are. There is a segment in that assignment, like a page or 2 of reading about different elements that do go along with poetry. So please read that over so it will help you with the assignment. Your second assignment for the week, they're called like poetry assignment number 1, poetry assignment number 2, is about a specific poet. And there are 2 of her poems in there. So you're going to look at those 2 poems. At the end, I had changed the after read questions that used to be there in past English 9Bs. So if you took it before, just know that this assignment has changed. And so instead of the after read questions, there are a few, there's just 2 questions there, but they do require more thought and effort. So I provide you the themes from the poem, and you need to find evidence from the poem to support the idea that the theme I give you is the theme. And then you need to discuss how your evidence proves that those are the theme. And then finally, in that one, there's a question about the voice, the speaker of one of the poems, and the point of view and how their point of view changes over the course of the poem. So those are both at the end worth 12 points and then 10 points. And so you want to make sure you put a little more time and effort. It's not just a 1-point question or a 2-point question. So they're big points and you want to make sure you do them. If you have questions on them, come in and see me. After that, you guys have a brief article. It's called The Night Poetry Rocked the House. It's like a magazine article, and it's about a poetry slam, a competition. And that's where people get up and they perform poetry. And so you guys are going to read the magazine article, and it's a pretty short one. I think it's 19 points, so it shouldn't take you too long. And then finally, we have the spoken word analysis poetry assignment, which is going to be Thursday's assignment, and we will do that in class. If you come to class on Thursday, you can get that assignment done. However, it is online. If you can't make it to class, then you are certainly more than welcome to just do the online assignment and submit it in the traditional way through Canvas. I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you come see me. I would say it's about half and half. Half of you have everything done from week 1 and about half of you don't. And it's early. We can catch up this week because the poetry is short. So these assignments aren't going to take you nearly as long as maybe the Romeo and Juliet that we're going to be getting into after next week. So please make sure you come in and see me while we still have a little maybe cushion to try to get some of these assignments done and completed. So I hope to see you around this week, and if you're having any questions or concerns, please come see me in room 201. Thanks. Bye.